Welcome back, my wonderful students. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're enjoying learning PHP. And it may not feel like you're writing a lot of PHP because we're using things like functions that are built into user spice. And we're going to get there. Like I said, we're going to replace this form. We're going to replace a lot of this stuff with more custom code. But what I want to do is I want to get you in slowly to where your project is working right off the bat, and then when you're writing actual code, you're writing it for a reason. Like, you're writing it because there's a problem you want to solve. One of the things that I just ran into constantly when I was learning how to code is that I just did not care about the content itself. And so I wasn't trying to solve any problems, so things didn't stick. So right now we have this thing where we have this form and it's working. And if I were to come in here and add another student, they would be added. What we're going to do is, let's just do, because we're going to change it later on this same page, we are going to do one more thing. We are going to copy. So again, I'm not here to teach you HTML or Bootstrap or anything like that, but we have this little block that will create a new line, like a new row in Bootstrap. So if I were to copy that and get rid of this stuff in here, I would have this is a new row. And then basically I could come here, go to my students, and I would have this new row down here. So what we can do is we can copy this over, and we're going to change this eventually, so it's okay to put this on this page, and we're going to say existing students. And what we're going to do is we're going to use another built-in user spice function that is just kind of mind-blowing. We're going to open up our PHP tags. I say mind-blowing, I wrote it. And we're going to say display table students. Okay, and we're going to refresh the page now. And I keep hitting enter there. And now we have this table that's showing us all of our existing students. And if you remember, when we were making these things, we called the one first name and then we did a shorter one here. And this is kind of why, because as this data gets out, you don't want really wide form. Maybe you do, and you can put whatever you want, but maybe you don't want really wide labels there, and so we give you the option to do both. And so if I were to come in here and go Jenny James, and I have 5 RFID tags on my desk, and so I'm going to use them, and I scan her in there. Now Jenny James is in there. And if I take the last tag I have and put Mike Schmidt, then Mike Schmidt scans his RFID tag, and now he's in there. And so in just a couple minutes, we've created a nice, simple table. And I think that's all you need for this video.